A few years ago, I was amazed when my phone could finally understand my accent perfectly. That is when I got curious about NLP. Whether you realize it or not, NLP is all around us, powering everything from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to the autocorrect feature on your phone. But what exactly is NLP? It is the ability of computers to understand human language. NLP combines two critical elements: computational linguistics, which models how we use language, and machine learning, which enables computers to learn from data. Together, these elements allow machines to perform tasks like translation, sentiment analysis, and even writing stories. Let's break down how NLP actually works. The process can be simplified into several key steps. It all starts when we feed a piece of text into the system. Text is staged, cleaned, and prepared in seconds. Third stage involves converting the text into a machine-understandable format. In feature selection, the most relevant aspects of the text are identified. Model selection and training involves choosing and training a machine learning model to understand the text. The trained model is then deployed in model deployment and interface for user interaction. The system undergoes evaluation and optimization to assess and improve its performance. Iteration and improvements continuously refines the model. NLP is incredibly versatile and has many real-world applications. Here are some common uses. First is search engine. NLP helps the search engine understand your question and deliver relevant results. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant all use NLP to understand your commands. Next is sentiment analysis. Companies use NLP to analyze customer reviews and social media posts to determine. Next is language translation. Tools like Google Translate use NLP to convert text from one language to another, making global communication easier. NLP is used in email filtering to automatically categorize incoming emails as spam or important based on the content and context of the messages. In social media marketing, NLP analyzes user posts and comments to gauge sentiment, helping brands tailor their strategies to better engage with their audience. NLP powers predictive text by suggesting words and phrases as you type, based on the context of your message and common language patterns. Despite its many successes, NLP still faces significant challenges. For example, consider the sentence, "The chicken is ready to eat." Is the chicken about to eat something, or is it ready to be eaten? So what will be the future of NLP? In future, 90% of all internet data will soon be processed by NLP technology. The ultimate goal is a world where language barriers no longer exist, and everyone can communicate seamlessly no matter what language they speak.